my best escape idea ever!
Pumpkin! No! Come back! Careful! Stop it!
Timmy!
They think it's a game, Peter! They're not going to stop till it smashes! It's going to break! I can't watch! Game over, Nutkin. I knew you were going to catch it, Peter. Never a doubt in my mind. This time, I am not taking my eyes off this egg. Not for 1 second. Me neither. Can I blink? Yes, you can blink. Oh no! It's gone! I wasn't asleep. I was just, resting my eyes. Come on, we have to find the egg.
Let's paint a face on it. A big pink face. No, I found it. It should be yellow. I saw it first. Stop it, Flopsy. It's mine.
Yes, you found it. Okay, hand it over.
No, we found it. And we're not giving it to you.
Now what?
Oopsie, no.
Flopsy, Mopsy, if you give me the egg, Benjamin will stay here with you. And you can paint his face instead. That's right. Wait, what?
Okay, I'll hand it over. No, I'll hand it over.
The egg! Not again!
Off you go! No time to lose, you best be on your way. Off you go! 'Cause you can't afford to fail today. Proceed with care, think fast and stay aware, and you'll succeed at what you're trying to do. So off you go, and you should know the goal's in reach, it's waiting there for you.
Oh no! It's heading for Mr. Todd's lair!
That can't be good.
Oh no!
Oh, what a disaster.
Thanks, Nutkin. You're a good friend. I really thought I was in trouble.
Anytime.
Uh-oh. Help! Benjamin can't hold on forever. I've got to do something. We've got to do something. You're right. Peter, Lily, help!
Wow, that's one unlucky rabbit. You'd have to grow wings to get him out of there.
Nutkin, you're a genius. We need to grow wings. Let's use the kites. Kites for wings? Great idea, Peter. But we're going to have to work together. If we put your kite there, we'll be able to control it. And if we use your kite here, it'll go as fast as a hawk.
Oh, you'd better hurry. Mr. Todd is looking really hungry.
Help! I can't hold on much longer.
I'm ever so pleased you dropped by for lunch.
Gotcha!
Come back here, you little...
Wow! This kite is amazing! How did you make it?
We built it out of the pieces of our other 2 kites.
They were great on their own, but together they're better!
Just like us. Hi, Mrs. Tiggywinkle.
Well, pluck my spines.
Oh, the wind's gone down. I think it's safe. No more flying rabbits.
Mrs. Paradise!
Oh, dearie me. Oh, my. I spoke too soon.
but it's been a long day. I'm ready to go home. Come on, Peter. Let's hit the brakes and land this thing. What? You forgot to give it brakes? We were kind of in a hurry. Yeah, but look on the bright side. What a view!